Welcome, my friends. Today's video is about a topic that is quietly shaping our lives: social media addiction. In this video, we'll uncover the science behind social media addiction, how it steals your time, drains your energy, and damages your mental health. We'll explore why this happens, the psychology behind the habit, and most importantly, how you can break free and take control of your life. So, if you want to improve your English and transform your life at the same time, stay with me until the very end. On this channel, you don't just learn English. My mission is to help you become the best version of yourself. Every day, we bring you powerful knowledge, real-life lessons, and practical tools that help you grow. So hit that subscribe button and start creating real change in your life. Now let me share something shocking with you. Do you know how many times the average person touches their phone every single day? 2,617 times. Yes, almost every few seconds, our hands reach for our phones. And here's something even more surprising. People spend an average of 7 hours every single day on their phones. Let's look at a few countries. USA, 7 to 8 hours a day. India, 7 hours 30 minutes. Bangladesh, 6.5 hours. Canada, 6 to 7 hours. Pakistan, more than 7 hours. South Korea, a shocking 8 hours a day. Think about this. If you're spending 7 hours a day glued to a screen, what's happening to your life? People spend these hours scrolling Instagram, TikTok, binge-watching Netflix, or getting lost in YouTube videos. But here's the scary part. Your studies suffer. Your career focus disappears. Your productivity collapses. Your hobbies fade away. You stop working on your dreams. Your attention span gets weaker, and your mind is constantly distracted. Now let me ask you, can you live without your phone for just 1 hour? For many people, the answer is no. If you take their phone away, they feel anxious, frustrated, even angry. This isn't normal. This is addiction. People take their phones to the bathroom, check them before brushing their teeth, even ignore family time because they're glued to the screen. Here's the shocking truth. Scientists compare social media addiction to drugs, alcohol, cigarettes, and gambling. Just like a drug addict craves their next hit, social media users crave their next notification. Just like gambling traps people in a cycle, social media keeps you scrolling endlessly. It's a dopamine trap. You open your phone, you scroll, you feel good for a moment, and you keep going. Minutes turn into hours. Before you know it, half your day is gone. This is the reality of social media addiction. It is stealing your time, your focus, and your life. Even celebrities and successful people struggle with this. For example, Tom Holland, yes, Spider-Man himself, once admitted that he was completely obsessed with social media. He kept checking his phone again and again to see how many likes and comments he got. And guess what? It made him anxious, insecure, and unhappy. He finally deleted social media from his phone to protect his mental health. But why does this happen? Because when you open Instagram, you see someone traveling to Paris, someone buying a new car, someone celebrating success, and you start comparing your life to theirs. Why am I not traveling? Why don't I have a car like that? Why am I not successful yet? This comparison makes you feel worse about your life. But remember, social media is not real. People show their best moments, not their struggles. They use filters and editing to make their lives look perfect. But your brain doesn't see that. It believes what it sees. And that makes you feel like you're not good enough. And when you feel bad, you scroll even more, looking for more entertainment, more distraction, more dopamine. This is how the cycle continues. Most people can't sit through a 30-minute educational video without getting bored, but they can easily watch 31-minute reels in a row. That's how addictive this system is. Now let's talk about the real reason social media is so addictive: dopamine. Dopamine is a chemical in your brain that makes you feel good. It's released when you eat your favorite food, achieve something, or get a like or comment on your post. But here's the catch. Social media hacks this reward system. Every notification gives you a small dopamine hit. One notification, dopamine boost. One new like, dopamine boost. One new comment, another dopamine boost. And just like a drug addict needs more drugs to feel good, you need more scrolling, more videos, more likes. According to research, social media is designed to be as addictive as gambling. When you pull down the screen to refresh, your brain reacts like a gambler pulling the lever on a slot machine. You don't know what's coming next, and that excitement keeps you hooked. That's why you can't stop scrolling. But here's a powerful question. Why are we not addicted to studying, exercising, or meditating? Because these habits give slow rewards. Books. If you study today, you don't get instant results. Work out today, you don't get instant results. You don't get six-pack abs immediately. If you meditate today, you don't feel instant peace. But social media, instant pleasure, instant fun, instant dopamine. And that's why bad habits are easy and good habits are hard. Social media tricks your brain into choosing temporary pleasure over long-term success. By now, you understand that social media addiction is real, and it's not entirely your fault. Behind every app, there are teams of brilliant engineers, psychologists, and data scientists working to keep you hooked. When you watch one video, the algorithm instantly recommends another. Heart, when you like a post, the app shows you more posts just like it. On TikTok or Instagram Reels, the next video loads automatically so you don't even have to click. These apps are designed to control your attention. Their profit grows, but your life shrinks. Your time is gone. Your energy is wasted. Your focus is shattered. Your real life is slipping away. So the big question is, how do you escape? Don't worry, I'll tell you exactly how. Step 1, understand the trap. The first step to breaking free is awareness. Social media is not neutral. It is designed to keep you online for hours. The more you stay, the more money they make. And what do you lose? Your dreams, your focus, your future. Before picking up your phone, ask yourself, am I using social media, or is social media using me? If the answer is the second one, it's time to change. Step 2. Turn off notifications. Every beep, ping, and vibration pulls your attention away. And here's a shocking fact. Once your focus is broken, it takes an average of 23 minutes to fully regain it. So take control right now. Go to your phone settings. Turn off notifications for Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and TikTok. You don't need to know about every like, comment, and new video instantly. This one step alone can save you hours every single day. Step 3. Use the 5-second rule. Most people check their phones without thinking. It's an automatic habit. Here's a simple trick. Whenever you feel like opening social media, count backward in your mind. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Then ask yourself, do I really need to open this app, or am I just bored? Most of the time, you'll realize you don't need it at all. Step 4. Set time limits. The average person spends 7 hours a day on their phone. That's 210 hours a month, or 87 full days every year. Imagine what you could do with that time. Learn a new skill, build a business, travel the world. So decide how many minutes you'll spend on social media each day. For example, 30 minutes. Set a timer. When the time is up, close the app. Use an app blocker if you need to. This will save you from slipping back into endless scrolling. Step 5. Replace social media with real life. Most people scroll because they are bored. The solution: fill your life with real, meaningful activities. Here are some ideas. Spring Bond Day. Go outside, take a walk, visit a park. Read books that give you real knowledge. Learn something new, a language, cooking, music. Auntie, talk to real people. Call a friend, spend time with family. Exercise, move your body, feel good instantly. The more real-life activities you have, the less you will crave social media. Step 6. Make your phone less addictive. One reason you keep checking your phone is because it looks so tempting, full of colorful apps and notifications. We can continue this step with practical tips like making the screen black and white, moving social apps to a separate folder, or keeping the phone out of reach. Step 6. Make your phone boring. Your phone is designed to grab your attention. So, let's make it less tempting. Turn your screen to black and white. Colorful apps are designed to catch your eye. Make them dull and they'll lose some of their pull. Move all social media apps into a hidden folder. Out of sight, out of mind. Log out after every use. If you have to sign in every time, you'll think twice before opening them. These small changes create friction, reduce temptation, and help you regain control. Step 7. Try a 7-day social media detox. If you truly want to see how much better life feels without social media, do this. Delete all social media apps for just 7 days. Spend the week focusing on real life. Spend time with family, work on your goals, sleep better, read books, exercise, enjoy nature. By the end of the week, you'll feel happier, calmer, and more focused. And you'll realize you never needed social media as much as you thought. Take back your life. Remember, your time is your most valuable asset. Social media companies want to steal it, but now you know the truth. Ask yourself this question. If today was your last day on Earth, would you be happy with how you spent it? Would you be proud that you spent hours scrolling through Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube comments? Or would you wish you had done something more meaningful? Something that moved you closer to your dreams? This is your life. And here's the scary part. Time doesn't wait. Every second you waste is a second you will never get back. A short story. Let me tell you a quick story about two friends, Alex and Ryan. Alex was always on his phone, scrolling endlessly. Ryan decided to quit social media and focus on his goals. 5 years later, Alex was still in the same place. No progress, no growth, just more wasted time. But Ryan built a successful career, traveled the world, and lived an amazing life. Why? Because Ryan understood something powerful. Time is precious. Alex kept wasting it, thinking he had plenty of it, but time is like sand. It slips through your fingers. One day, you'll wake up and realize it's gone. Do the math. Take out your phone right now and check your screen time. Let's say you spend 5 hours a day on social media. That's 35 hours a week, 140 hours a month, 1,680 hours a year. That's 70 full days, gone every single year. Now imagine this. In those 70 days, you could learn a new skill, start a business, become fluent in English, get in the best shape of your life, completely transform your future. But instead, many people waste those 70 days scrolling, liking, and comparing their lives to strangers. Your future is in your hands. Do you ever feel stuck, unmotivated, unable to make progress? The truth is, your phone is stealing your future. Every hour spent scrolling is one less hour to change your life. If you don't change your habits today, 5 years from now, you'll still be in the same place, wondering why nothing improved. So close your eyes for a moment and imagine waking up without reaching for your phone, having clear goals, motivation, and focus, spending time learning, growing, building a future, living a life where notifications, likes, and comments no longer control you. This life is possible, but only if you take action. The choice is yours. At the end of the day, you have two choices. 1, keep wasting your time. Keep scrolling. Keep feeling distracted. Keep living the same life. 2, take control of your life. Delete unnecessary apps. Use your time wisely. Work on your goals and build the future you want. One day you will look back and ask yourself, did I live my life or did I just scroll through it? Did I chase my dreams or just watch others live theirs? Did I use my time or let social media steal it from me? The time to change is not tomorrow, not next week, not someday. It's right now. So tell me in the comments, what action will you take today to break free from social media addiction? Let's take back control of our lives before it's too late.